This video we are going to discuss integers in detail. Okay, we are going to discuss integers in detail, how to add the integers, how to subtract, because most of the students will face problem in this particular topic, because here some complications will enter. So we'll deal with those complications and I will make sure these integers are not at all problem for you. Okay, here addition integers, as I said, it includes negative, 0 and positive numbers. Here first I will take -2 plus -3. Okay, how to add this? Most of the students will face problem in this. Okay, this is number line. First we'll make sure this is number line. Okay, this is 0. You are already at -2. Okay, you are already at -2. You have to go -3. Remember, always minus means you should go towards the left and plus means you have to go towards your right. Now we have to go towards the left. How many steps? 3 steps. Already you are at -2. You have to go -3. You have to go 3 steps backward. Then -3, -4, -5. You will stand at -5. Then the answer here is -5. We'll take another example. Okay, similar kind of examples. Another example, -2 plus 5. -2 plus 5. Then what is the answer? We'll start with 0. You are already at -2. Now you have to go +5. +5 means you have to go 5 steps towards your right. 5 steps. 1 steps -1, 2 step 0, 3 step 1, 4th step you will be standing at +2, 5th step you will be standing at +3. Then the answer is 3. 5 -2 plus 5 is 3. Okay, this is what integer addition. Now we are going to discuss integer subtraction. Okay, -2 minus 3, -2 -3. Okay, out of -2 you have to subtract -3. You are already at -2. You are already at -2. You should go 3 steps leftward, as I said in the previous one. The answer is -5. Okay, you will face the problem when 1 plus and the minus enters. Okay, -2 minus of -3. Okay, -2 -3 is subtracted from -2. Okay, -2 as it is you should write minus into minus plus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. Then the answer 3 minus 2 is 1. 3, this is 3, minus 2 is 1. Okay, if you want this with the help of number line, we can write this. This is 0. You are standing at -2. Okay, here -3 is there, but again minus of minus plus -2 plus 3. This will become -2 minus of minus into minus plus 3. Okay, you are standing at -2. Currently you are at -2. You should go 3 steps. Plus means always you have to go 3 steps towards the right. You are having +3. You should go 3 steps towards right. First step you will be standing at -1. Second step you will be standing at 0. Third step you will be standing at 1. Both by the normal calculations and by the number line we'll get the answer, that is 1. Okay, next we are going to discuss another example. Okay, minus 5 minus of minus 2. Okay, then you should write minus 5 minus into minus plus 2. Then the answer is minus 5 plus 2. Then the answer is minus 3. This is by normal calculations. If you understand this by with the help of number line, it is very easy. You should draw the number line. Okay, this is your 0. You are standing at minus 5. Okay, minus 5 plus 2. Minus into minus, it's minus into this, minus into minus, plus 2. Okay, you are at minus 5. Plus means you should go 2 steps towards the right. Okay, 2 steps. Plus means towards the right. How many steps? 2 steps. You are at minus 5. First step you will be standing at minus 4. Next step you will be standing at minus 3. By both the methods, by the normal calculations and by the number line, you are getting the answer minus 3. When minus 5 minus of minus 2, then the answer is minus 3. When the minus 2 is subtracted, from the minus 5, then the answer is minus 3. Next, we are going to discuss integer multiplication. Okay, here you should understand one pure formula. What is that? When you multiply minus into minus, then the answer is always plus. When you multiply minus into plus, then the answer is minus. When you multiply plus into minus, then the answer is minus. And of course, plus into plus, obviously it will become plus. What is the takeaway from this? What is the learning outcome from this is, whenever you are having odd number of negative numbers, odd numbers means 1 negative number, 3 negative numbers, 5 negative numbers, the result will always be negative. If you are having 2 negative numbers, even number of negative numbers, 2, 4, 6 like this, you will always get the positive numbers. Okay, and always the positive numbers gives you the multiplication of 2 or the product of 2 positive number always gives you positive number itself. Okay, we'll illustrate this formula with the help of examples. Okay, I will give example for each one. First one, minus 2 into minus 5 equal to, this is minus into minus, plus 2 5s are 10. Next, the first one. Next, minus 2 into plus 5, minus into plus, minus 2 5s are 10. Next, two into minus 5 equal to, this is plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10. Next, we will be having 2 into 5 means plus 2 into plus 5, the answer is always plus 10. This is how you need to do the multiplication in the case of integers. Now we are going to discuss division, how you should do the integer division. Okay, here also same. If you have 2 negative numbers in the case of division, when you are having 2 negative numbers in the case of division, in the case of integers, always the answer is plus. When one negative divided by positive, then the answer is negative. And then one positive, another one negative, then the answer is always negative. And the plus divided by plus is always plus itself. And then illustrate this with the help of examples. Okay, first one, minus 10 divided by minus 2. The answer is always plus. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. This is 5. Next, minus 10 divided by plus 2. Then the answer 2 ones are 2 5s are, then the answer is minus 5. Next, plus 10 divided by minus 2. Then the answer is 2 ones are 2 5s are, then the answer is still minus 5. And the last one, 10 divided by 2 plus 10 divided by plus 2, then the answer is plus 5 itself. Okay, what is the takeaway from this? Whenever the even number of negative numbers are there, you will get the answer plus. Whenever odd number of negative numbers are there, you will get the negative numbers. I will discuss this in detail, this multiplication and division, because it is very important. I will take some more examples so that you can understand this little better. Okay, now this minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. How will you discuss this? Okay, first I will take these two numbers, minus into minus, this minus into minus, plus 2 3s are 6. I will write this minus 5 as it is. Okay, then plus into minus, minus 6 5s are 30. As I said, how many negative numbers are there? 1 2 3. Then odd number of negative numbers are there. As I said, if there is an odd number of negative numbers, the result will be always negative. What you got this? What did you get this? This is negative. It means whenever odd number of negative numbers are multiplied, you will get the negative number.